In this video we are going to see how to use while loop, and we are going to see some examples. And while loop is one of the basic loop in C++, and that is easy to use too. Now let's go ahead and see an example. For example, let's say you want to print something like apple is some number. So let's set an integer apple is equal to 1 and okay, so apple is equal to 1. Then we are going to create a while loop. So while apple and then curly bracket C out apple is apple end line and we are going to increase it by 1, so we are going to put apple plus plus. Now let's execute and see what happens. Also we have to put a semicolon right here. Now let's execute. So there's one more curly bracket I have to put right here, and also let's leave a space after this. Okay, now execute and see what happens. And if you notice, this will go on forever, right? Because we didn't set a limit for this one, right? So this is like I'm using an online version, so that's why it stopped somewhere. But if you use the software, it will go on forever. So in order to stop this one, we have to set a value inside this while bracket. So what we do is, let's say less than or equal to 20. So less than or equal to 20 and execute. You see it will go until 20. Now not only you can increase this one by 1, you can also increase by more than 1. Let's say you want to increase this one by 5 each time. So what you do is, instead of plus plus, we put plus equal to 5. So this is basically representing increment by 5. Now if you execute this one, that's going to increase this one each time by 5, right? Also you can do the decrement. Decrement is same thing, like instead of plus plus you put minus minus, so that's going to decrease this one by 1, and minus equal to whatever the number, that's going to increase by whatever the that's going to decrease by whatever the value you want to decrease. And those are some basic thing about while loop. I hope you guys find this video helpful. See you next time.